Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever, forevermore. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. He restores my soul.